back with some more armor to show that I build. This is Djarin Beskar shoulder armors with the logo. This is resin printed, and then this is the same type of paint used on the Mandalorian TV series, and this is all 3D printed in PLA plus and then painted with a clear coat. I also sell these, will be selling these where they're non-painted, so if you want to paint them a different color, if you weren't going with the Djarin look with your cosplay, it gives you that option with that. But they're not up there yet, but these are up. If they're not in stock, they take 2 to 3 weeks to be made. Also too, I do a whole bunch of custom work too. So if you don't see it on the website, definitely send me an email at 3dbeowulf.com. Let me know what you want to have made. I can let you know if I can do it, and then with the price, and then a quote with that, and then with the shipping process of when it would get out to you. But I figured to share these. This turned out really nice set. So if you're looking to build a Djarin cosplay or a Mandalorian cosplay, I can also do a custom set too, where we can do like the Night Owl theme paint if that's something you want, or if you want to paint them yourself. Like I said, all that kind of stuff, best way to message me is at 3dbeowulf.com. Send me an email and I can give you a quote with it. But this thing turned out really nice shine to it, really nice piece of Beskar. It's always fun painting Beskar pieces, and really happy with this. And this is all at 3dbeowulf.com. See you guys next one. This is the way.